There's an urgent health alert tonight, with doctors warning Australia is well overdue for a whooping cough outbreak. Concerning New data is predicting a resurgence of what's called the 100-day cough as early as this summer.
For mother of four, Jessie Capitola, when a mild cold hits, it can be crippling.
It winds up in my chest, takes a lot longer to clear, have some trouble breathing.
Her long-lasting lung issues triggered by whooping cough 20 years ago.
My mum slept on a mattress outside my bedroom because I was so scared that I was going to stop breathing.
Whooping cough can lead to chronic lung problems, and that can be a real issue if you need treatment for that for the rest of your life.
Pertussis numbers dropped to all-time lows during the pandemic, but doctors are seeing infections rise across the country. More than 1,100 this year already compared to 481 last year, a spike predicted come the summer months.
I think we've sort of forgotten about it, to be honest, and we're always thinking, oh, it's got to be COVID if somebody's got a cough.
Fatal for babies and detrimental for adults. An old message is being given a renewed push by the Immunisation Foundation of Australia, led by Catherine Hughes, whose son Riley died at 4 weeks old. The first ever Whooping Cough Day launching today.
What we want people to do is to check to see if they are up to date with their whooping cough vaccines.
A booster is needed every 10 years, and research shows 80% of Australians have no clue if they've had a vaccine top-up. The advice is to check with your GP, a pharmacist, or the Express Plus Medicare app. The length of immunity and whether booster shots are needed more often or less is being looked at by the Perth Children's Hospital and the Telethon Kids Institute, funded by the Light for Riley campaign.
We're going through epidemic before the pandemic, and we might get back to those numbers, so we have to be on our guard and use the best vaccines that we have.
Tracy Vo, 9 News.